Hi there and welcome to the channel. Never done one of these reviews before, but I thought I'd give it a go. This is my Newpro Pioneer Defender. Brought it literally just over a year ago as my first airsoft gun. It's done very well, to be honest. Probably a lot better than most. It was two-tone. See if you can see there. A little bit of blue coming off with the paint. But otherwise, absolutely fantastic gun. I did upgrade the rail to a metal one from the original, which I think off the top of my head was about £15, which I got from the shop I brought the gun from. I did change mags to these pull cord high cappers just to make life a lot easier. Red dot, so forth. I have different types of sights. This is just currently what's on the kit, as it's a backup, or if anyone new starting up wants to come and join us, then they have this kit. The stock was changed. The original is over here. Only thing I don't like about this is these clips to get to the battery are an absolute nightmare. So I happen to have a friend who had this stock from a modified XTC. He replaced it and it's just a lot easier. There's a little button here, press that and that just slides open. A little bit of modification to the pin, but otherwise slipped on fine, no problems. A bit tighter than the original. Probably the reason why I would say this is probably the best beginner gun is I've never had an issue with this. It's been thrown, it's been dropped. One time, I think it was around November last year, we went to a skirmish and it was absolutely chucking it down. We had two friends, their guns broke due to the weather and someone else's. This was absolutely fine, no problems whatsoever. Recently we went to the same skirmish, actually, saying that, and again it was raining. This was used by another person. Again, no problems, ran absolutely fine. Same battery all day, no problems. The battery I'm currently running is a see this, plug it. Is a 1300 milliamp hour, 7.4 25C. I have two of these, and over the year I have never actually had to change to the second battery during a game day. Never. So again, the gun is done absolutely fantastic, no problems whatsoever. I really just can't complain. Don't use it much nowadays, but other people do. It probably gets seen used once every 2 months or so. I ended up upgrading from this and ended up with a KWA Ronin T10 and some other pistols and so forth. But this is now over a year old and it still performs perfectly. Chrono, I do not have any 0.2s, if I'm correct. But I do have some 2.5s. So let me load this up, find an empty mag, and I will put some 0.25s in and we'll show chrono. So we are back. Oh, one more thing I would like to point out. For magazines, I've never had a problem with finding compatible magazines. For example, I have metal ones, plastic ones, 30, 400s, these cheap ones which are about £7, some other ones. Never had a problem with compatibility, always worked fine. So, mags in, a quick test fire. Okay, so let me quickly change this. .25, 6. Right. Right, can we see that? Yeah. Very consistent. That's with 0.2 gram BBs, 288.5 at the highest that was. There you go. As I say, very consistent rifle. Never had a problem with it. Always performed very well. As I said, I reckon this is possibly the best beginner airsoft gun rifle anyone can buy, and for the price, definitely. I paid £130 for this a year ago. I believe they are around between 130 to 150 depending on where you purchase from, but otherwise absolutely fantastic gun. Cannot moan one bit. Thank you for watching. If you like, let me know. Thank you.